The first step to building a bot for Discord was to download two libraries, node.js and discord.js. From there, I could import the modules and begin the login function. Next, I built my first function. It simply replied to a user saying pong whenever the user said ping. I then built a shout function which returned the user's message but bolded and capitalized. I also made a whisper function which returned the user's message but in lowercase and italicized. The final function I made was a giveaway function. It chose a random player in the server and sent out their name. Overall, building this bot was an awesome experience. Although I've been coding for a while, I'm nowhere near as experienced as I should be. I'm excited to make this channel because I hope it encourages myself to learn more about coding and to get a lot better with projects.